You know, some more why you have to just give yourself a bad drape up. Yeah, man, drape up yourself. And ask yourself some serious questions, you know. Questions that you owe yourself to answer to the truest of your ability. Because, you know, there are times when there's so many things happening around us. And we find the time and the justifications to blame everything and everyone else around us. But we never really stop to look at ourselves. We never stand in the mirror and say, listen, I need to ask this reflection some questions. So you have to give yourself a bad man drape up or a bad girl drape up and, you know, ask yourself the questions. Pretend like you're up at embassy. So, you know, you're going to try to answer them to the best and to the truest of your knowledge because, you know, really want to slip up. Yeah, because when you go to embassy and they answer the questions and they know so they're wrong, right there, and then they're denied, right? So you're going to put yourself in a situation like say you're up at embassy and you're trying to get a visa and you ask yourself some questions. Why is everything around me reacting this way? You know, is there a possibility that it could be me? And listen, this video is not for the perfectionist. No, it's not. It's for people like myself here who make genuine mistakes every day and are willing to learn. And the reason why I'm saying this to you is because I have to drape myself sometimes, you know, and I reflect. You know, I do a self-assessment. I do a self-evaluation. And I try to seek solutions. And I ask myself questions. Would I be okay with this person dealing with me in this manner? Would I be okay if this person spoke to me in this manner? Would I be okay if this person stood me up, tell me, you know, made promises and reacted in this manner? Would I be okay? And until we can put ourselves in certain situations, we won't be able to realize that there are times, plenty of times when we're the problems. And the problem, you know, this problem, you know, we can be a problem in relationships, whether it's, you know, a friendship, you know, a marriage, a common law relationship, a job relationship, you know, whatever it is, a platonic relationship, whatever it is, a problem is a problem. And until we can identify the problem and identify that sometimes we are the problem, how can we come up with solutions? You have some people that have no friends. And listen, when I walk and collect friends, like say, you know, we're Super Mario, I walk and I collect coins. But no, you need friends. And if everybody you have run at us and disappeared, then you have to check yourself. It can't always be that everybody else is wrong and you're so right. No, you are not God. Or you're not Goddess. So who are you? Check yourself. And a lot of us, we have decent relationships, decent friendships, and we mash them up because we fail to do a self-assessment. And by the time we realize, sometimes it's too late. Nothing is wrong if you are wrong. You have to be wrong at one point in your life. You are not perfect. Well, as I said, this video is not for the perfect people. It's for the people I'm not perfect like myself. There are times when you are going to mess up. Don't beat yourself up. You're only human. You find what the problem is and you learn from it. Why? Because you don't want a reoccurrence again. So you have to stop yourself in your trap, man, sometime and ask yourself serious and honest questions and answer them seriously and honestly too. What am I doing that I'm not supposed to be doing? Would I be okay, you know, if this person did this to me? Would I be okay? Look at yourself sometimes. Look at your tone. Look at just look at how you deal with people. Would you be okay if people dealt with you like that? And I don't care about your stature in life. I don't care about your money. I don't care about your educational accomplishments. I do not care about those things. Those things are only tools that will get you to a certain place in society. At the end of the day, where it all breaks down to the human that we are, the humans that we are, and the blood we run through the world we've been. So we are equal at some point in time. We have something in common. So I'm not talk about all of the bling and blang and all of them so that we have. No. Just the most simplistic form that we are all human beings. Would you be okay if somebody had deal with you like this? You have to stop and ask yourself questions. And stop blaming everything and everyone around you. Because with that demeanor, you don't have nowhere to go. You understand me? And ask yourself, do the self-assessment, do the self-evaluation, come up with solutions. Pretend, as Mr. Pretend like you're up at embassy, you know you want the visa, so you try your best to tell no lie. And if you tell lie, you know, so you want serious lie, sound like the truth. But this is to yourself. You can't lie to yourself because you know what the truth is. And you ask yourself serious questions, you answer them truthfully. Is there a possibility that I might be the problem? Listen. Once you do your self-assessment, I'm telling you, life becomes better. You have to put your pride aside, even from yourself. Put self aside and be true to yourself, and you realize that life becomes way, way, way more easier to deal with. Guys, on that note, have yourself a wonderful day. And listen, the truest, that you can be the truest person to yourself. You lie to yourself, you're lying to yourself. But until you're truthful, and until you can look within, you won't be able to make the corrections or the adjustments, the modifications that you need to make so that you can have a peaceful and a wonderful life. And while you're not, trying to please everybody around you, but as I said, there are times when we are the problem, and we have to identify that before we can move forward. Bye-bye.